Welcome! If you want more privacy on your Facebook page and want to control who sees the posts where you've been tagged, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simplest way to hide page-tagged posts on Facebook using the new update. And you can do all of this on your PC using the Facebook app. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Give it a moment to load, and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile photo. Click on your profile photo. It's your gateway to personal settings. A menu will pop up. Scroll down and find the option called Settings and Privacy. Click on it to reveal more options, then choose Settings. Inside the Settings section, look for a tab labeled Page and Tagging. It might be closer to the middle or lower part of the list, so don't rush. Take a second to scroll if you need. Once you're in Page and Tagging, look for the setting that says Who can see posts that you're tagged in on your page. This is the key setting we want to change. Click on this option, and you'll see several choices appear. To make tagged posts visible only to you, select Only Me. This means nobody else will be able to see the posts where your page has been tagged. Perfect for keeping things private. After you've selected Only Me, don't forget to hit Done to save your changes. This last step ensures that your new privacy setting is active, and you're all set. You've just taken control over who can see your tagged posts on Facebook, all from your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out more guides to get the most out of your social media experience. Thanks for watching.